wet fire. Next, I have a piece of fatty wood, and we're gonna make some shavings. And then we're gonna make some nice thin pieces of wood.
We always like to try new fire starters. So if we got a new one, and this one kind of looks like waxy ketchup. I mean, it has a container of ketchup, and it's red.
Everything's super wet, so we're gonna have to split some wood.
Let's go!
It's super rainy and super windy outside, so we're gonna need some special fire things. Today, we're gonna use stormproof matches.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull this. I'm gonna put it down. She's gonna light the match, and he's gonna put that on. Hopefully it works. Whoa. There you go. Nice.
Now you put bigger wood to make a teepee so it dries all the wood out.
We're gonna let this burn down so we have a nice bed of coals.
Because we got some cooking to do.
Yeah!
Are you cooking bones and eating souls?
No! We got the fire going outside, but we're gonna do the cooking inside. So first, we boiled some water.
Then we put the water in. Then we stirred them up.
And then we sealed it shut. Now we have to wait 5 minutes. So now we have to stir it and leave it in for 5 minutes again. Chow time! Chicken teriyaki.
Please, can I have some more?
This is like our really first time having this stuff, so we're gonna tell you our honest thoughts. So I'm going first. It's not bad. I would give it like an 8 out of 10.
I never had chicken teriyaki at all before, so here we go.
So I kind of am realizing my bison weapon is going to be the 5th anniversary of 454, which is fine. Just maybe going to lack a little bit of range. There's a melody. There we go. Let's
Honest answers.
we're still doing the thing with it. Let's
Maybe a 3.
I love chicken teriyaki, so I'm excited for this.
No. On my lap, if that makes sense.
I'll give it like a 9 out of 10 because like if you're in the wilderness, I feel like this would be good.
I don't know if I like chicken teriyaki or not, but
Let's go.
I actually like this. I think I'll give it a 10.
Lasagna and meat sauce time!
Thank you. I'm going first. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Next, I'm up. 8. No, 10.
Now I'm up. 7.
I hope there's a spicy meatball. I'd give it like a 6 out of 10.
Thanks for stopping by Demolition Cabin.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Cause we did. Sorry if the video was really short because the weather has been really crazy. Really crazy. And when we do stuff like this, always remember, don't tell Mom. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Demolition Cabin.
Today we got something awesome for you.
We're gonna be making survival food and have enough rain.
We're gonna let this burn down and make a nice bed of poles.